Hello everyone, today we're getting into the brand new Sigma BF camera, which was just launched at Sigma's headquarters in Japan. It uses the L mount for lenses and has a 24 megapixel full-frame sensor, making it great for capturing high-quality images. Priced at around $2,000, it sits in the premium category, and its design certainly reflects that. The minimalist body is crafted from a single block of aluminum, giving it a sleek, stylish appearance, similar to high-end Apple products. You can get it in either black or silver, but be mindful that the black version tends to show fingerprints more easily. To complement the silver version, Sigma has also released silver variants of all its I-series lenses, so you can have a matching cohesive look. The design is deliberately kept simple, with only a shutter release button on the top, a strap plug on the right, a USB-C port on the left, and a tripod thread underneath, aligned with the optical axis. It also has a pop-out battery, but what's truly different about this camera is that it doesn't have a memory card slot. Instead, it uses 230 gigabytes of internal storage, which is enough for about 14,000 JPEGs or roughly 4,300 DNG RAW files. This design choice makes it very streamlined and easy to use. When it comes to composing your shots, everything is done through the screen since there's no viewfinder, which might disappoint some traditional photographers. However, the screen's interface is designed to be as clean as possible, with no distracting overlays. There's also a small secondary display to the upper right of the main screen that shows your most recent settings. The user interface has been completely redesigned to focus on simplicity. You'll find two main screen views, one that shows essential settings like exposure, drive mode, quality and color options, and another that allows you to dig deeper into more advanced settings. Beyond these, there are some standard menu options, but Sigma has clearly focused on keeping the experience as clutter-free as possible. Inside, the camera features a 24 megapixel full-frame sensor with face detect autofocus and supports up to 6K video recording. It's also speculated that the camera doesn't have a mechanical shutter, relying instead on an electronic one, but this is still unconfirmed. Sigma continues to innovate by doing things differently, and this camera is no exception. Alongside the BF, Sigma also introduced two new lenses. The first is a 16 to 300mm f3.5 to f6.7 super zoom designed for APS-C mirrorless cameras. It's priced at $700 and is available for L mount, Sony E mount, Fujifilm X mount, and Canon RF mount cameras. The second lens is the 300 to 600mm f4 sport zoom for full-frame L and E mount systems, priced at around $6,000. It's designed to function like a 600mm f4 prime lens, but with the added flexibility of zooming out to 300mm. This lens also features an internal zoom mechanism, a twistable control ring, a declickable tripod collar, and an Arca-Swiss dovetail, making it a solid choice for sports and wildlife photographers. Let us know in the comments what you think about these new releases from Sigma. Are you excited about the minimalist design of the Sigma BF, or are you more interested in the versatile zoom range of the new lenses? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.